Monday, May 11th. Does that sound right? And today we're going to talk about harmonics. So we've got a little vibration chart here, and we talked about sound, and sound is basically vibrations. Okay, so if we look at this, and it's hard to read, but I'll walk you through this. So this is a low sound, and it vibrates slowly. And as things vibrate faster, and there are more cycles in the same amount of time, vibrating cycles, you'll notice that the sound gets higher. So these are treble sounds, these are bass sounds. These are higher, these are lower. And it was like a guitar string too. If you remember this, we said with a guitar string, the longer the string is, the more it vibrates, or the longer it takes to vibrate. So that means that's a low string, right? And then the shorter we make the string, and we make it shorter by putting our finger on it, the more it vibrates because it's shorter. So right now, every time we move up, it's vibrating faster and 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 faster. It goes up and up and up. We also talked about the thick strings have slower vibrations than the thin strings. Those are faster vibrations, right? So vibrating on the thin string will go even higher. So we're going to take this thin string, as long as we can make it, and we're going to vibrate it faster by making it shorter, faster, 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 faster. We can even take our lowest string, as long as it is, and make it longer. Listen, I'm going to make it longer here. Longer. Isn't that cool? And now you can even see that low string vibrating here. Take a look at this. So that's vibrating right now. The other thing we did with vibrations is we made our overtone flutes. Okay, if you remember these. And these are a special type of vibrating instruments because they rely on what's called harmonics. Okay, so let's take a look at this. If you remember, I'm going to send you this video. Remember how we made these?
Excess material. Please be very careful when cutting PVC pipes with a knife. PVC
Remember he was teasing us with that?
can react very awkward. Now we have to sharpen this part to make the fip.
So we made a cap, we made a fipple, we made a block, okay? And then we learned like these, like the guitar strings, the shorter we made them, the higher the sound. And the longer we made them, the longer the sound. And we remember this too, if people wanted to make them longer, they would take the caps and add on to their flutes too. But we get a sound like this in harmonics. Okay? So then we said, what are harmonics? I sent you this video too. And this is a person that's playing a flute, and they're watching these vibrating spikes.
All those spikes are other tones that are being played at the same time?
At the same time. So your ear is great. It says, well, I know that the highest one.
And that's really kind of interesting. It might be kind of complicated, but it's fun to watch how they take music and they kind of make it, you look at it through like a science. And that's part of the harmonics. So that's about 2 minutes long, but it's fun to look at. Then the last thing I sent you is this. So we have what's called harmonics. And you look at this. And you hear that? Now this one is twice as fast. So this is double one, so this is two. This means it's the same note twice as fast vibrating. So we got this note. And this note. So 2 is twice 1. Now what's twice as big as 2? 4. So this will be what's called octaves in the harmonics. So now this one is vibrating 3 times as fast as this one. Okay. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 times as fast as this one. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 times as fast as that one. This is 3. And this is 6. So this one is twice as fast as this one, which means this one is going to be an octave higher than this one. And this is 2, 6. This is 3 times higher than that one. But it's just fun to play with. Okay, so I was thinking about some songs that use harmonics. So if you think of this song, like the Star Spangled Banner, oh say can you, and then I cut this to the same key as this harmonic scale. So this is a harmonic scale in F, so I should be able to play this. Try that again. So anything in here that I can make, I should be able to play on this too. Isn't that cool? So what did I send you today? I sent you how we made our, just a reminder of sound as vibrations. We also sent you how to make your overtone flutes like we made in class. We talked about what are harmonics as far as the science part of harmonics. And then we sent you this to play with harmonics. Isn't that cool? So I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a nice week, and I will smell you later.